going to the beach. It was time to go, said the lion. The lion said no. It's almost time to go find the pictures. So he saw a lizard, a dog, a cat, and a mouse. But this mouse was very in. And that mouse was very mad. A fly came. And I see Nemo. And are you the teacher?
Yes, I am the teacher.
But I'm the teacher.
Okay, what are you reading?
And Nemo was very big, but he was small.
What is there in the book?
There was a cow, bird, rooster, and fly, and the sun, and a butterfly, and an insect, and a cat, and a pig, and a sheep, and a horse.
What do the cows say?
No. And let's see what you can look. And the mouse. Let's see what we can find, okay? Okay. Let's look for the... I don't say anything. I don't say anything.